How to sign out of Apple Music on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Sign Out. Signing out of your Apple account will also sign you out of Apple Music. Here, you can choose if you want to erase this phone after signing out. This will prepare your iPhone for transfer if you're trading, selling or giving it away. If you don't want to erase, then tap on Sign Out but don't erase below. And then, tap on Continue. Following these steps, you can easily sign out of Apple Music on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.